Ankur Goyal. I'm Chief Development Officer at Coupa. I'm part of engineering team here.
You lead the massive engineering team in India. So how is that team driving the innovation that we see here at Coupa Inspire in Vegas?
Yeah, of course. So as Coupa site lead, I'm very proud to lead Coupa engineering locations, which are based out of 3 cities in India: Pune, Hyderabad, and Bangalore. With Pune being our biggest location in India, and Bangalore is the location which we added very recently. So these 3 locations form a perfect talent triangle in India. Coupa in India is seen as an innovation hub in which we are responsible and in defining a lot of products, and also the complete delivery accountability of those products lies in India. Coupa India engineering team also works in conjunction to a lot of other engineering teams which are based out of US and Europe. We also get the opportunity for our engineers to conduct various workshops for the customers, which helps us to understand how the customers are adopting our products. What are those different gaps which we need to fill in? So it provides them a direct visibility of all the products which we are building in for the customers.
When you work across this global network, you're collaborating with teams in the US and in Europe, what are the biggest technical challenges in building a global trade network?
There are a lot of documents where the buyer and supplier exchange with each other in terms of procurement processes. A lot of time goes in ping-ponging those documents. Sometimes the supplier is working, sometimes the buyer is working. So the documents keep flying from one area to another area. So I think with the help of AI, we're also trying to ensure that how we can provide a kind of a collaboration platform so that the buyers and suppliers can come together and work on the documents together, which will help us to move the processes much faster, to have our decisions done at a very speed of the light.
A lot of people talk about, the impact that AI is having, but as someone who's leading these massive teams, who's at the very front of this revolution, could you tell us a little bit just how exactly is AI changing procurement technology?
If you will see traditionally procurement processes, there was a lot of manual efforts which were required. Now what we are doing in the modern procurement world is we are redefining each of the business processes and workflows to see how we can embed AI into the processes and not as an afterthought, not as a tool. So now I'm not creating a requisition manually. I have my Navi agent which helps me to create a requisition which is accurate, which is perfect, which gets through the approval processes completely automated. And the dashboard gets created, they look into the data, they do the right actions within the certain boundaries which I permit them to do, and finally they summarize the solution for me. So we are moving from manual intervention to AI agentic processes across procurement.